a squirter! Oh, she's a flirt! I'm just an airhead. I screw a lot of stuff up. So I thought for sure that we were leaving. We had to be at PRI tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Today's Tuesday, okay? Thought for sure Wednesday we gotta have the car there. We booked a hotel for Wednesday night. We had the whole plans, everything. So I go back and I check my email for Poland, and Steven's right. We're supposed to be there today. So last night, I think I took a picture of it so you can drop it in there. Charlie had nothing in it. No motor. The motor wasn't even here until, well, what's left of the engine wasn't here until yesterday at like 12 o'clock. So you can see they already got the 2 sleeves out up here that's ready for new sleeves, so we're waiting for those. Once they get here, then we'll have to, I mean, after PRI, we're gonna take all this stuff back up to Tony anyway, and then he can finish putting it together. Hopefully, by the time we get back, maybe we'll have sleeves. And again, since this isn't a super popular engine combination, the sleeves are custom made, so there's just not a lot of them out there. So now, Jay's working on it, Brad's working on it, I'm working on it, trying to make it look like something to put it in this PRI booth, which, yeah, it happened. We actually probably should have already left, but yeah, we'll work that out. It's actually a pretty easy swap. So if you already have these existing strange brakes, like what we got, I actually had our hubs powder coated, so you're like, man, I've never seen black hubs. Well, we had them done. But Jay doesn't have to swap the hubs or anything, so we're just swapping and actually the vacuum plates and everything are identical. So everything, yeah. So they did their homework on that. Like, it's a good idea. So if you buy this kit, you can just change your rotors and calipers, and then you can keep the other stuff for spare parts.
Right. Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah. I like it when companies don't like. They redesigned what needed to be redesigned to make it better.
Charger on it every time?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. And they get floating rotors.
Floater?
Remember when I went over in that video?
Oh, yeah. Motorcycles do it, high-end motorcycles. Yeah. I remember that part.
Yeah, you can hear it. You hear it floating in there.
It's floating. It's just in there floating.
You got a scale out here? Oh, we can take it to the ship.
Oh, they're a lot lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's run up there. This is where we walk really fast in the Care.
No. Care. You good?
Should have waited the heavy one first.
5.7.
Well, you can. That's a video. Video.
6.9.
So
1.3 pounds?
Yeah. Man, that's pretty.
Well, that's one side.
Yeah.
So 2.5 pounds.
So 1.2 pounds at each corner.
Yeah.
Nice.
The last race we were at, we were at Turkey Bash, and we went really fast, and that track's really short. But, I mean, these roads, there's nothing wrong with these rotors, but look how blue they are for me.
Hot?
Yes.
Hot and spicy.
Get them stopped.
I mean, this swap looks so easy, I could do it.
You could do it, Ricky.
Off and on.
We're gonna let you do the back.
There we go.
We gotta do the rears too, so.
There we go. New rotor hat, caliper.
What?
Yep.
This goes to the L.
Yep.
Goes there.
Mechanic now.
I got it, boys. Don't
Ricky's
worry
a race
about
car
it.
mechanic.
Don't worry about it.
What are you working on?
You know, just putting in a new, I don't know what to say, come up with.
Brakes probably would have been a good idea.
Well, I wanted to make it sound way cooler than brakes, but.
Yeah, Rick, let me go, boys.
Hand tighten's good, right? That's all it needs?
Yeah. Look how high it sits in the front.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
Looks like it's doing a little wheelie.
I can't even pull it down.
Time to make them all purty.
Yeah, you gotta get him.
Looking as good as can.
Yeah, as good as Charlie can look.
Todd, when I
Everybody thinks building race cars is fun, but you see what I'm doing. I'm just cleaning rubber.
the bottle.
It's got its own
The
bottle,
special
boys.
bottle.
Yeah, it's tight. Just so you guys kind of get an idea, the goal is to run lights out in February on radial.
You're putting that on the record.
Yeah, as long as Tony can get the motor done, all that. But we need to. We're gonna do a video of like what we're gonna swap, because we did a video about how much we didn't swap.
Yeah, yeah.
Right. And it went, it went 111, which is that's not near fast enough. We need to go like.
So what do we need to
105.
make it swap to go real fast?
So the bumper's gonna come off.
Well, we ain't gotta get into it.
Yeah.
We'll save it.
Yeah, but I mean, there's two things. Yeah, we'll get into it in a video. But yeah, we'll actually set it up official to go really fast on the radio.
That'll be sick.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah.
So
February, lights out.
hopefully.
Heard it here first.
I held him down and tickled him yesterday. I don't think he liked it.
I heard him before PRI.
I got mine yesterday morning.
That's why I just shoot people. Oh my gosh, this thing's freaking full.
Gas tank?
Yeah. One of I've got to transfer.
We'll just pull that line off right there on the pump. Just let it gravity drain into the jug.
Okay. Charlie Brown.
Charlie Brown tank, Charlie Brown car. Is there such thing as too much Charlie?
It's running down my. I want it up my damn elbows.
Yeah, hey Jay, you're gonna smell like Q16, dude. Your wife's gonna be just on you like why?
I know. See, keep pissing on me.
Here, watch out. That did.
It'll drain slowly. I didn't roll my sleeves up.
Squirter.
She got a squirter.
Oh, she's
no!
a 4! She's a 4!
Damn it, man.
Funnel don't flow enough, man.
It's got a screen in it.
Oh, that's why.
Here, I got the funnel.
Hey boys, nobody weld over here. Nah, it'll be dry in 10 minutes.
Hardly
It
any
smells
of it.
so good. Yeah.
That must be a hillbilly race car thing. I don't think it smells like good.
You don't think it smells good?
I don't think it smells like terrible, but it don't smell good.
Fuel was in there before it.
Oh, if we ever flood the jug, I'm gonna be pissed.
It backed up instantaneous.
I did
That
not,
just goes to show how much those lines flow.
I didn't account for the funnel not flowing.
Yeah. It's got a screen in it. Look, and there was junk in there.
Hey.
We got a puddle in our cart.
Everything can be clean.
Well, there's that.
Fuel cell's empty.
This will evaporate fast.
Yeah, as soon as I put a fire to it.
Oh, okay, Charlie Brown on fire.
We're all right here in the middle and just boof.
I don't think we're going to be able to put the hood on it because you're not going to be able to see any of the nitrous kit with the hood on.
Oh yeah, it is up above, isn't it?
So
you think we should put the radiator
I think we should put the radiator in it.
You're right, they probably won't be able to see that. I mean, if we put the radiator and the lines on it, you probably won't notice it doesn't have a crank in it.
But yeah, most people won't. Some people will, but it doesn't matter.
She's potent. That table is flammable still.
That table's gonna be flammable forever.
They ain't going today.
What time are you supposed to be heading up there?
Boy, they ain't going today. What time is it?
We'll get there when we get
What time is it? We'll line up. There we go.
You get there when?
We'll get there when we get there.
Ah, fair.
Trying to remember what hoses go to where. Remember. This looks right.
Oh, you still got a couple more to go.
Look at these boys, I forgot I had them. This is not
Taking the spots out there.
that we need to get. Look at these cameras. They need to go on there before we get there. Yeah, dude, that'd be tight.
I thought it was a tattoo. It's a sticker?
Yeah, what is this for the bumper? We're running late.
Priorities.
Priorities.
You gotta get the sticker on.
Doing good.
Whoa. Well, you got this black cap now.
Oh yeah, that was it just was silver last year. Last
Nah,
year.
it's red.
Red?
Yeah, Dave Fiskus had to wreck his whole car just so he could get that black cap.
Thanks, Dave.
Did it for us.
Yeah, he did.
We appreciate you.
the horrible part about it was Dave brought his car wrecked, right? And he left. And it wasn't 5 minutes later that Brad's like, ooh!
Snatchies.
You know, you can have the most busted car, but if it's got cool wheels, it fixes it all. I love these wheels. I really want to put spindle mounts on this thing, but Brad's cheap.
You do be looking shiny.
It really do, and then it's gonna look so shiny here, and then you're gonna put it up against all them other cars that are like Dave's car, and you're like, dang, this thing's not shiny. Brian's got a whole custom fit for this dude.
Two custom fits.
Hey, that should absolutely be part of the PRI videos of Brian coming down the morning like, "Ta-da!" We were all like talking about that we didn't want to go to the drag scene party because it's just so loud. And Tara's like, you can't take that away from Brian. So if we do anything, we gotta let him go in, show off his fit at least, and then walk back out.
Just let him do one lap. Let people see him.
Secret sauce. It's that secret sauce.
I'll blur it out for you.
Make everybody think I got something special. I like that.
There he is.
He's back. Almost.
Oh, it's way high in the front. That's horrible.
Yeah, it looks.
Well, if we take some jack stands and stick it up so it looks like it's doing wheels.
We're supposed to be there at what time? Between what?
1 and 2.
And Indy's how long of a drive?
I mean, 2 hours?
Alright.
What
It's
time
gonna
is
be
it?
a little late. It's only 12:33.
Oh, that's not bad.
Should we hit it hard so we get up the hill? Hard as we can?
Yeah, we're good, bro. Oh.
Yeah, I got it.
Off to Indy.
Let's get it. Look at this pile. Be a lot cooler if it ran. We could just big block all the way in there. Now we have to push it with a whippy smart car.
Smart car currently has more horsepower than Charlie does.
Sad day.
Alright, you're going. It's turn if you want to stop.
Yeah, I don't have no brakes either. We got no brakes, we got no engine, we got no transmission.
Yeah, you're lacking.
It's sitting like a freaking monster truck. Look at Brad, he's so smart, dude. Oh, I thought he was taking just a quick voyage to figure out where we're going. Nah, we're just gonna wing it.
Figure it out. What time we gotta be in there by?
4.
Yeah, we'll make it.
I bet you people that don't drag race think that us pushing our race car around with a smart car is probably like the wildest thing ever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, sheesh. I see that.
That's the opposite of Charlie Brown, buddy. It's really a bunch of carbon and point.
Thanks, fellas.
Oh, try that, make it.
I think it's gonna be alright. Should be good. Yeah, you're good.
I never would have made it if it had a real motor.
Huh? Way higher than normal. I say it looks alright.
Who's responsible for that car? It don't matter if it's out, if you know the information.
Okay.
My legs can't get up
Hey, you look good in there, though.
there. Probably so. But boy, you been getting in and getting out?
I mean, hey, we're willing to find out if you are.
Did you get the good angle of my ass?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Hey, huh? It's only 50 cents on the You can't hurt it, If you put it
going on the
in,
end
it's
cap,
just
right?
you could sign the dip. We got it this far. You guys got the rest.
Hi, Rick.
What's up, dude?
It was way more stressful having Dave's. I didn't even own Dave's car, and it was really stressful. This is easy. We got a couple of days.
Well, that's handy. We're like, it can't be sitting all jacked up at the front.
All right, boys, we made it, and girls. We actually made it on time. We had what, 30 minutes to spare?
Something like that.
Yeah. Charlie's clean. He looks like he has a motor in him. So if you're coming to PRI this weekend, we're in the Nitrous Express booth, 1035. Come see us. And as always, like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you. See ya.